Imagine a world where computers understand you, where machines learn from your habits, and where virtual assistants anticipate your needs. This is not science fiction, but a reality powered by artificial intelligence. With over 100 million virtual assistants sold in the last year alone, the AI revolution is just beginning. Chapter AI Foundations, about how artificial intelligence powers virtual assistants. Artificial intelligence is the backbone of virtual assistants, allowing them to learn, reason, and interact with humans. The AI Foundation is built on complex algorithms and machine learning models, such as deep learning and neural networks. These models are trained on vast amounts of data, including voice commands, user interactions, and environmental factors. For instance, Amazon's Alexa has been trained on over 100,000 hours of voice data, enabling it to recognize and respond to user requests with high accuracy. Similarly, Google Assistant has been trained on over 1 billion voice commands, while Microsoft's Cortana has been trained on over 500,000 hours of voice data. These virtual assistants can perform various tasks, such as setting reminders, sending messages, and making calls, with an accuracy rate of over 90%. The AI Foundation is also constantly learning and improving, with some models processing over 10,000 voice requests per second. As a result, virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant have become an integral part of our daily lives, with over 50 million households using them worldwide. Chapter Natural Language, about how artificial intelligence powers virtual assistants. One of the key features of virtual assistants is their ability to understand natural language, allowing users to interact with them using everyday speech. This is made possible by natural language processing, a subset of AI that focuses on the interaction between computers and humans in natural language. Google Assistant, for example, uses a technique called intent recognition to identify the user's intent behind a voice command, enabling it to respond accordingly. With a precision rate of over 95%, Google Assistant can understand and respond to complex voice commands, such as setting reminders, sending messages, and making calls. Other virtual assistants like Amazon's Alexa and Apple's Siri also utilize natural language processing to provide accurate and helpful responses. In fact, according to a study, over 70% of virtual assistant users prefer to interact with them using voice commands, highlighting the importance of natural language understanding in AI-powered virtual assistants. Additionally, companies like Microsoft and IBM are also investing heavily in natural language processing research, with over 50% of their AI research budget allocated to this area. Machine learning is a critical component of virtual assistants, enabling them to learn from user interactions and adapt to their preferences over time. By analyzing user data and behavior, virtual assistants can improve their performance and provide more personalized responses. Apple's Siri, for instance, uses machine learning to learn a user's daily routine and provide proactive suggestions, such as reminding them to leave for work or suggesting a favorite music playlist. With over 500 million active users, Siri has become one of the most widely used virtual assistants in the world. Google Assistant and Amazon's Alexa also rely heavily on machine learning, with over 1 billion devices using Google Assistant and over 100 million Alexa-enabled devices sold worldwide. According to a recent study, 75% of users interact with their virtual assistants at least once a day, and 40% of users rely on them for daily tasks such as setting reminders and sending messages. As machine learning technology continues to advance, we can expect virtual assistants to become even more sophisticated and integrated into our daily lives, with companies like Microsoft and Samsung investing heavily in research and development to improve their virtual assistants. Chapter Virtual Assistant Examples, about how artificial intelligence powers virtual assistants. From Amazon's Alexa to Google Assistant, virtual assistants are becoming increasingly popular in smart homes and smartphones, with over 45 million households in the United States alone using them as of 2022. Microsoft's Cortana, for example, is integrated into Windows 10 and can perform tasks such as setting reminders, sending emails, and providing news updates, with over 148 million monthly active users. Samsung's Bixby, on the other hand, is a virtual assistant that comes pre-installed on Samsung smartphones and can perform tasks such as making calls, sending texts, and providing personalized recommendations, with over 10 million monthly active users. Other notable examples include Apple's Siri, which has been around since 2011, and IBM's Watson Assistant, which has been used in various industries such as healthcare and finance. With over 100 virtual assistants available in the market, users have a wide range of options to choose from, and the number is expected to grow to over 200 by 2025 as the demand for virtual assistants continues to rise. Chapter Future Developments, about how artificial intelligence powers virtual assistants. As virtual assistants continue to evolve, we can expect to see significant advancements in areas such as voice recognition, natural language understanding, and machine learning, with companies like Amazon and Google investing over $10 billion in research and development. Future virtual assistants may be able to anticipate user needs, provide more personalized responses, and even exhibit emotions and empathy, as seen in examples like Apple's Siri and Microsoft's Cortana. With the rise of Edge AI, virtual assistants may also become more localized, enabling them to process data on-device and reducing latency and bandwidth requirements by up to 50%. According to a report by Gartner, the virtual assistant market is expected to grow by 25% annually over the next 5 years, with over 75% of households using virtual assistants by 2025. As the virtual assistant market continues to grow, we can expect to see new and innovative applications of AI in the years to come, with potential uses in fields such as healthcare, education, and customer service. Thanks for watching this video on how artificial intelligence powers virtual assistants. If you want to learn more about the latest developments in AI and technology, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. In our next video, we'll be exploring the world of autonomous vehicles and how AI is revolutionizing the transportation industry.